Welcome to Autodesk Revit Fundamentals for Interior Design.
At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer online courses that introduce each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit modeling. With the completion of this course, clients have the opportunity to obtain knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday.
In this course, we will be covering the fundamental concepts necessary for architects and interior designers to begin designing within the Revit software. We cover a broad spectrum of concepts starting from the ground up, providing students with the essential tools to be independently comfortable navigating and laying out an entire design project. We will look at all of the various tools within the design of custom walls to floors and other components, generating tags, sheets, and schedules, learning a majority of application tools within the Revit BIM environment. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students understand the workflow within the Revit modeling software. Explain BIM and how Revit fits into the BIM process. Navigate within the Revit software. Demonstrate use of nodes, snaps, reference planes, and other drawing assistant aids. Insert file links for AutoCAD and Revit model files into your project. Use text, dimensions, detail items, and tags to create project deliverables. Define the project browser and navigation with organizational options. An introduction to phasing to incorporate existing, new construction, and demolition content into the model. Navigate and organize the materials browser while we're creating new and custom materials within the project. Utilize the curtain walls tool to generate storefronts within the model. Manage the rendering dialog box within the Revit model utilizing custom lighting schemes.
IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class to help each student familiarize themselves with routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access Revit through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software.
Open existing and create new Revit model project files. Navigate and control graphics and view options in Revit files. Create a basic model from design development through construction documentation. Implement the usage of rooms and areas for space planning. Create custom, useful schedules to organize project content. Utilize custom Revit tools to create specified project content. Create design options, adding various choices for users and clients to consider. Customize and modify view displays for required visual display options. Apply project documentation for detailing and description. Output supply deliverables to project consultants and various clients. Each day of class, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Revit functions, implementing designs while giving employees the confidence and to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fears that come with transitioning into new software and new tools, assisting Revit modelers in tackling the daily obstacles and helping them move forward through working with problems, experience through the software, and effectively and more quickly doing their tasks. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike each will gain the confidence to create a new project and open an existing model, navigating seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the drawing in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome tasks of onboarding new employees and understanding how new software can be used to implement into your daily workflow. IMAGINiT's Fundamentals for Interior Design equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional modeling software.